Hey everyone, and welcome to Baking with GSA. Today we are going to be making cupcakes with fondant fried flags. This represents the LGBTQ+ community because each fondant piece corresponds to a different flag, which represents various identities in the LGBTQ+ community. However, these flags that we're making today do not encompass every identity in the queer community. So we hope you enjoy.
You're going to need 2 cups of butter, 2 1/3 cup of sugar, 5 egg whites, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 3 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 cups of powdered sugar, a 3/4 tablespoon of salt, and 1 3/4 cup of milk.
Now that you've got your ingredients, let's get started. First things first, preheat the oven to 350 degrees and set out your cupcake wrappers in a baking tin. Then, using a stand mixer, combine 1 cup of butter and 2 1/3 cups of sugar until they become much lighter.
Next, add the egg whites and 1 tablespoon of vanilla and mix until totally combined. After that, mix together a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, the flour, and baking powder. Then add your dry ingredients and 1 1/2 cups of milk to the mixer, alternating adding 1 cup of dry ingredients and 1/2 cup of milk.
Now, you can scoop your batter into the cupcake wrappers.
Now you're ready to throw it in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes.
To make the icing, whip 1 cup of butter in your stand mixer until the butter becomes lighter in color. Then add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
Now you're going to add in the powdered sugar 1 cup at a time, alternating with adding in 3 tablespoons of milk 1 tablespoon at a time, like so. Mix on high for 1 minute after every addition. Once your cupcakes have cooled, you're ready to frost them.
Once your cupcakes are done, you can start on the fondant. To use fondant, you flatten it into a disc and drop the food coloring in the middle. You then fold the fondant over the food coloring and keep doing that until you see the color spread throughout. Once you've finished mixing all the colors, you can start on the flags. And now your cupcakes are done. Enjoy them with your family and friends, but make sure to stay socially distanced.